Hello, this is Jimmy with Spinning Grillers. Today we're going to show you how to use the pita oven from Spinning Grillers. This oven is actually UL and NSF certified. All the parts are made in-house and everything is certified, so you shouldn't have any problems running it in your restaurant. Now we're going to show you how to do the pita bread. Here we have some dough ready to go, so we're gonna start with that and put it on the oven, and we'll show you the results. Let's start. Now the heat, we set it up at high heat for the top burners. We did have the bottom heat on just for about 10-15 minutes, but we did shut it off for now so that it doesn't burn the bottom of the bread. And as for speed, we have it on number 6. Larger ovens you can go a little bit higher, but for this model, the Pita 30, we did number 6. Usually on the 48, the Pita 48, we usually run it a little bit faster. You can go to 10 speed on that. And let the bread go, turn around 2 to 3 turns until you get the golden color on the top. Also, the door is adjustable, so you can adjust the setting on the door if you want to have it higher, lower. But I usually like the medium setting, so it sits up high enough for the bread to go through. You can put around 13 to 14 pitas on the disc. And there it is, the perfect pita. Make sandwiches, kebabs, for dipping hummus. This is the perfect. Thank you for watching. I just want to make sure you guys understand this oven is certified, NSF UL certified. So if you have any questions, you can call us at 914-347-3178. And we also have our shop in Valley Cottage, New York, and that's where these ovens are out of. Thank you again for watching, and you see our link at the below of this video. You can also visit our website at spinninggrillers.com. Thank you for watching.